before that, yeah. Once again, I'm repeating what I tell. Yeah, Python. Yeah, Python is nothing but an high-level programming language and is an interpreter programming language. And it is developed by Gado and Ruzan in 1989. And I tell about before futures of Python. Python is easy, and we have large set of libraries was used. And it supports databases, different third parties databases. One second. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, are you hearing my voice?
Yes, also you are audible.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. It is a general purpose programming language, Python, and it was developed by Gado and Ruzan in 1989 in CWI. It is an institute, it is used for research center located in Netherlands. And Python is an interpreted and object-oriented programming language, high-level language, and dynamic type. And it is strong syntax emphasis, and simply we can understand by every programmer, and we can develop any application as rapid, very fast. And platform and Python is a cross-platform, nothing but you cannot run on any system. It is called as a platform independency. It is called as platform independency. And next we have futures like some. It is an open source, easy to learn, easy to read, easy to maintain, and we have large set of libraries and is portable, and it is an object oriented. It supports like OOPS pillars, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstractions. These all are supported class objects, and it is very powerful. It is a built-in type, and we have dynamic type, and it supports third parties libraries like numeric, numpy, and syspy, and keras, and database. It can support all type of database like Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. All it supported. It supported all types of data types. Up to here, clear to all?
Yes, also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm moving to the part of installation of. Okay. Yeah. Switch off your mics. Yeah. Now, next I'm moving with the installation of Python. It is very easy to install. Yeah. Open a browser and go with the Python installation. Browser. Yeah. Here is the download, and it is the latest version, Python 3.9.8. Click on this. It installs one exe file, and you can go with the run on that. And I have some steps. I'll share with you the steps of Python. Yeah, these are the steps. Select the platform and Python stable version. Here we have some stable versions. You can go with stable versions also. Based on this, you can go with stable versions. And next, it downloads an exe file and select and run on that file. And it has some permissions like check a box or radio buttons, and click on that all users and go with the next button and select the customize and click on next, click on finished. I'll share this document to installation of Python. Just install the latest version 3.9, 3.9. Yeah, 3.9.5. Anyone 3.9.5 is the latest. You can go with 3.9 or 3.1, 3.2, any version, but install based on your platform. If you are using Windows, go with Windows. If you are using Mac, go with Mac, or other platform other than these two you are using other, you can click on this and you can select the options and you can move on that. Yeah, confirm me these steps are clear to you. Will follow. It's any difficulty in here? Hello?
Yes, Vasu, it's clear. Guys,
It is
can you
clear.
at
Yeah.
least confirm him?
Yeah. Next we have flavors of Python. Python, we have some flavors. Best example, nowadays we are developing any C applications in real time. Guys,
No, sir.
no. Suppose some developers are there. We have enough 25 years of experience or 30 years of experience in C at that time. When you want to update its skills to Python, what he need to learn? Anyone know na? Anyone?
Sorry, sir.
Python basic syntax.
Basic syntax, again you need to learn Python from starting onwards. Yeah.
Yeah.
To solve that issue, because if you learn from starting onwards, you become a freshers, not an experienced candidate. So to solve that issue, Python has released some flavors like C Python. It stands for flavor of Python is a C language supported applications. By learning this, you can be a same experience and you can develop the applications in Python. Same way, we have like for Java, JSON. Same way we have for C#, .NET People's Ironton, and we have PIPI performance, that is PVM. It uses a JIT compiler. If any developer is coming from Ruby, we have a Ruby Python. Anyone coming from different language, we have Anaconda. Anaconda is also one of the programming language we have. And different flavors we have. Any technologies, they can merge to Python based on their flavors. Based on their flavors, they can merge on it.
Vasu, I have one question, Divya,
Yeah.
here. If somebody does not have any language experience,
Yeah, they can directly run Python.
they can directly go to Python.
Yeah, directly they can go to Python. No need of any pre-requirement like C or C++. They can go directly to the Python and they can learn.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, up to here clear?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Right now I'm using 3.7 something. Is it fine or else I need to download the latest version of Python?
Okay. 1 second, repeat it.
Sir, right now I'm using 3.7 version Python
Okay.
in my laptop. Is it fine or else I need
Fine.
to?
3.7 is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to use latest, you can go with that also.
Okay.
You need to send small path settings and you can go.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, after installation of Python, where we need to execute and where we need to compile. Anyone known about that?
Yes, sir. Command prompt.
Yeah. Go to command prompt of your CMD. Just plus py.
Sorry, what is that, Vasu? What is this? Command?
Command prompt CMD.
Command
Okay,
prompt.
CMD. Okay.
Yeah. How to open this? Simple. Window R. Type CMD. It will come. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. In this you can type simply py. Python will start. This is the version I'm using. I'm using 3.8.5 version.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a shell. Anyone known what is this? Anyone?
REPL.
3.
Python
REPL.
Okay. This
The
we
Python
called,
shell.
this we call as a 3 chevron. It's a Python shell only, but another name. Most of the we call it a 3 chevron. Whatever we type here, it executes here. See, yeah, it is a single line. We can type only single line and you can run on it. But we how to type multiple lines, sir? Multiple lines is not possible here. You need to go with extensions. What is the Python extension? Guys,
Dot py, sir.
Dot py.
Dot py.
dot py. Dot py is a Python extension. Dot py is a Python extension. Now we are going to see first example of hello world. Yeah. Open any notepad or text editors. Anyone have an idea on text editor? Anyone?
Yeah,
I
Notepad++.
do not have any idea on text editor, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell.
Have or not?
Have sir. Notepad, Notepad++.
Yeah, notepad plus plus, edit plus. Yeah, this is I'm using edit plus. Go to files, go to new and go to others. We have a Python. See, and click on OK. This is a Python one. It is defaultly add .py and just to type your code. I'm writing code like print. Welcome. And I am saving this file. Go with file, save as. Yeah, it asks it where I need to save. I'm going with the desktop. I will create one folder. Examples as a file name. I'm saving this a file. See, or defaultly it is added. See, default it is added py. I'm giving any name. I'm giving like a name as first. Don't again type py. That's your wish. If type is also nothing will happen, or you can remove simply. Now click on save button. Now this file has been saved. And how to run this file, sir? Anyone have an idea? Anyone? Anyone have an idea how to run?
Yes, sir.
How?
We go for command prompt, sir.
Yeah, you can
Can
go
you
to
give
command prompt and
specify the
command.
name?
Okay, one shortcut technique I'll show. Go to your folder where you have saved. In the top, you type
Yes, sir, and
CMD.
double click on.
Yeah, we can do that. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Directly, you will come to here. So one of the easy, you can go with this and type your file name. First to type py is a Python and type your file name. My file name is first to dot an extension of file. It will print welcome. The output is welcome. Simple way. Again, I am showing. Go to your saved file location at the top of your URL. Type CMD. You will get into that location and first give one command called py space and file name .py and click on enter key. You will see the output of the file. Up to here, clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, anyone facing any issue new to here? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What is a token in Python?
Say smallest individual unit.
Yeah, smallest individual unit is called a token. Smallest unit in the program. Any types of program? Types of tokens we have? Types of tokens. Guys, hello? Hello?
Yes, keywords, identifiers,
Identifiers.
Yeah.
operators.
Constants. Identifiers. Okay. Yeah. Any other?
Keywords.
Yeah, keywords,
Operators, strings,
operators,
constants,
constants,
and special characters.
special characters.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Coming to first one, we'll discuss about what is an identifier. Yeah, what is an identifier?
Sir, identifier specifically identifies a code, sir. For
Code.
example, variables or function names.
Variable, function names. Okay. Any other?
It's basically a name given to a variable or
Yeah. Yeah, correct. It is a name given to variable name, function name, class name, etc. etc. Identifier is a name given to variables, functions, classes, methods, etc. So we have some rules. We need to maintain some rules. Anyone known about the rules? Rules.
Naming conventions.
Yeah. That's we need important. When we are declaring any variable, we need to follow the naming conventions. What are that? Remembered anyone?
The name
Cannot
shouldn't
give
be,
any-
it shouldn't be a
symbol.
keyword.
So the variable name should not start with
Yeah,
the
simply I will tell. Begins with either A to Z small or capital or underscore. Clear at this point? We can declare
Yes,
a identifier by using letters or underscore. Begin means the starting one. The starting one. Like example, I can say age. Age. What is this? This is a total of letters. If you go on with capital, or you can write like this also age. This is also a valid one. Or you can use underscore age. It is also a valid one. Begins with starting. Starting begins with. It should have only letters and underscore. Yeah. Second one.
sir, do not use a special character.
Special character. Okay. It should not
Insert
contain any
underscore.
special character. Any other? It should not start with a digit. Start with a digit. Example, you can take like a one age. It should not start with a digit. It should not be start with a digit. And there is no limit in length. No limit to declare an identifier. There is no limit. Any other? It should not be a keyword. It should not be a keyword. Any other?
there shouldn't be white spaces in between.
Yeah, that's all special. It not be a special characters. Okay. Okay, up to here, you know. Yeah, coming to how to declare in real time. When we are working on projects, what cases I need to use. Yeah, most of the time we use a camel case. Anyone known about camel case?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is a camel case?
Sir, when we have a name which has more than one word, so the second word should start with the capital letter.
Yeah, age. Okay, it is fine. We can use. My age is there. Here, two words are there. The second word should be start with a capital. This we call as a camel case because recognition is very easy. Here, when we are going to use our camel case, recognition is very easy. Suppose if you have a large words, if you have like large words, to identify that large word, it is difficult to us. When you break down into camel case, it is very easy. My age, you can learn easily. Oh, this is up to your first word and up to your second word. You can clearly identify the identifier. Yeah, guys, clear up to here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next,
Yes, sir.
coming to another one, variable. What is a variable?
It allocates some memory.
So name given to a
It
memory.
allocates some memory.
Yeah, almost you are coming.
For declaration.
Okay. Yeah. Variable is a name. Variable is a name that refers to a value. That refers to a value. See, yeah, variable is a name that refers to a value. We have one syntax to declare a variable. Anyone know how to declare a variable?
Variable name and then assignment operator and the value.
Variable name and value. And here all are mandatory. Variable name is mandatory, equals is mandatory, and value is also mandatory. You cannot leave it simply like we need to declare like variable age equals to 24, account number equals to like this, or you cannot declare like this, my age, and you cannot leave it off like this. If you are leave it off like this, we'll get a compile issue, we'll get an error. You cannot leave it mandatory. We need to follow. We need to assign a variable. Without assigning a variable, we can't use in the program. If you are assigning like this is a invalid. Then invalid in Python. You cannot. If you want to use any variable, we need to assign first, then only we need to use. Without assigning, we can't use a variable. Yeah. Clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Here, yeah, we'll see one example on that. Age equals to 21. Now I want to print that age. We have a print function and write. Yeah, I'm writing here age equals to. I'll explain print function. Wait for some time and separate with a comma and write the age and save the file. I'm saving the file. The save. Yeah. Variable. Next I'm clicking on Save. I am running the example. Py variable 1 dot py. Yeah, age equals to 21. We can print age equals to 21. And Python supports multi-variable assignments. You can assign multiple variables at a time. Multiple variables like a comma b comma c. You can assign like 10 comma 20 comma 30, and you can print all the variables. You can print all the variables, save the file, open command prompt, py variables 1 dot see a equals 10, b equals 20, and c equals 20. This we call as a multiple assignment. Python supports a multiple assignment, and it supports multiple assignment at one time also. You can do like I comma j comma k equals to like one value. I wanted to only assign with one value. You can go with that also. I comma j comma k. Save the file. Open cmd. py variable 1 dot py. Second. Second. Should be support. Okay. Okay. Yeah. In this update version, it is not supporting. Okay. I'll tell later on this. Is going to unpack. Unpacking is not supporting. Okay, fine. Yeah. You can use this one. Yeah. Multiple assignment is possible in Python for one at a time. For a single line only, you can assign n number of variables. Like 10 will come and sit into A, B, 20 will come and sit into B, and 30 will come and sit into C. This we call as a multiple assignment. Yeah, syntax of that is a multiple assignment. Syntax like variable 1 comma variable 2 variable 3 equals to value 1 variable 2 variable 1 value 1 value 2 value 3 and variable 1 variable 2 and variable 3. This is about a multi assignment. It's about multiple variables we can assign. Yeah, this is about single assignment, and you can assign a multiple assignment based on your needs. Based on your need. Yeah, guys, confirm me clear up to here. Any doubt on here? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Now I'm moving to next topic called keywords. What is a keyword? What is a keyword?
Python research for itself. Say.
Find words in
Some
Python.
names,
Yeah.
some
It
building
is
names.
reserved
Defined
word.
words.
Yeah, okay. It is a reserved word. The instructions already given to Python interpreter. The instructions already given, how they want to execute, how they are works. These all are instructions, all given to Python interpreter. How many keywords we have?
So I think 32.
32, sir.
32. Okay. Any other? Yeah. Now I'm showing how to print a keyword. I can display a keyword. We have a one module. We'll discuss modules later on, but I'm showing how to print the keywords. Save the file. Yeah, these are all the keywords we have in Python. And remember one thing, only 3 keywords are starts with capital. False, n, none. None is nothing but like null and true. Only these 3 keywords starts with capital, and remaining all the keywords are starts with lowercase. Observed all of you? Guys, observed. Huh?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Remember, when you are declaring any variable with false, true, and none, when you are declaring, when you are writing any example, please check these all are keywords, and they starts with an capital. Starting letter, starting character starts with a capital, and remaining all are small. Remaining all are small, and keywords are changing from version to version. And somewhat till 33. See, observe how many keywords we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Yeah,
14,
35.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35 keywords. If you are going with latest versions, some more keywords were going to be added. Clear about this one? Keywords.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, version to version keywords some were added. Based on versions, you need to check. I'm using 3.8. I have 35. When you are going with latest, once check any new keyword is added, or these keywords are there. If new keywords are there, you will learn later on that. Clear? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, I am moving to operator. What is an operator?
These are the special symbols, sir.
Special symbols. Okay, fine.
To do mathematical calculation, we use operators.
Mathematical calculations. Okay. Any other?
Sir, perform an operation between operands.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Almost correct. Yeah. Once see, you already know. Okay. In this, what is an operator?
Plus.
Plus.
This is an operator. Okay. I can say operator is a character or a symbol. Is a symbol or a character which performs a special task. Plus performs addition. Some task. If you apply minus, it will do subtraction. If I apply multiplication, it is do multiplication. Assigning some different task, special task on operands. These two we call as operands. Operator is a symbol or a character which performs special task on operands. And total, this one, this total, what we call, anyone know na? This total, what we call?
Expression.
Yeah, total we call as expression. Total we call as expression. Remember, operator is a symbol or a character which performs special task on operands. And how many types of operands we have?
7. 7 types, sir.
The unary and binary operand.
Unary, binary. Okay. Any other? Sequence. remember
Assignment
that?
operator and logical operator.
Yeah.
Arithmetic.
So 6, I guess. Assignment, logical, relational.
Bitwise operator.
Bitwise operator. Okay. That's all. Python, we have some special operators also.
Yes, sir. Membership operator.
Yeah. Or only that one?
And identify
Relational
operator.
operator.
Identify operator.
Relational.
Relational.
Okay, okay. Once I write that operator names, check it that. Relational and comparison both are same. There is no different. Yeah. Only this all or anyone I missed up? Anything is missed?
Membership operator.
Membership operator.
Yeah, that all comes to category of special operator only. Identity operator and special operator. Any other?
Assignment operator, sir.
Membership, identity operator. Yeah, you know very well, ternary operator. Not remembered, forgot. Ternary operator. Forgot? You recognized? Python supports ternary operator. Anyone know or do not know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then forgot all ternary operator. Yeah. Coming to this, what are the operators are present in arithmetical operator? Addition, subtraction, multiplication,
Division.
division.
Mod operator.
Model.
That's all? Or any other?
Yeah, that's all I guess.
Exponentiation.
Exponent.
That comes under special operator.
Yeah, double star. Yes. Sir, floor division.
Yeah.
Yeah, dot slash.
Yeah. Float division. This we called as a float division. I'll write the names. 1 minute. Give me some time. I'll go with names also. Yeah. This is nothing but addition. Yeah. And this is what is this? This is new to you. And this is a exponent. And another name is also there. Anyone known about this? Another name for exponent.
Power.
What it do is perform power only now. Yeah. All of you know how they works or do not know?
No, sir. We know.
All of you know about this?
We know, sir.
Yes.
Know or do not know?
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
We know. Okay. What is difference between Division and floor division.
Say division always return a float value,
Okay.
and floor division is depend on the operands. So both operands are integers, so it's give int value. Otherwise, it's float.
Yeah. Simply, I can say it performs floating. It performs a floating, nothing but the output we get in a pointwise
Floating point.
Yeah, floating point. And this, I can say both. It performs integer and floating point. Yeah, somebody sound. It performs both integer and floating based on its numerics. If anything, suppose like 10 floor division of 2, 10 floor division of 2, it outputs will be like integer only, like 5. Suppose if you add like a 0.0, it will becomes to float. If you add this decimal to at the top also 10.0 floor division of 2, the output will be done float based on your enter operands. If any one operator is float, the result is float. And remember here, anything you did, it is a float. If you enter anything, any operand is there, the result will be on floating only. The result will be there on anything in floating only. This is a point you need to remember when you are working with division and floor division. Clear about this? All of you clear? Have any
Yes, sir.
confusion?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, clear.
Coming to relational operators, you know very well. Relational operators are used for comparison purpose. In real time, I can say you are big, I am small, you are elder. There we can use relational operators. It gives the results on true and false. It gives results on true and false. What are the relational operators?
Less than equal to, greater than equal to.
Less than, greater than,
Are equal to.
Less than or
Not equal
greater
to,
than.
equal to.
equal to,
And not equal.
not equals,
Yeah.
Not
Exclamation mark equal.
And less than or equal, greater than or equal.
less than or equals, and greater than equals. Yeah. These are the all relational operator and comparison operators we have in Python. Here, I think you know how they works. I need to explain on each and everything. Guys, how they are going to work, you know or do not know?
Yes, sir.
You know,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I know.
Yes, sir.
If you want to see small, see. Yeah, if I say 10 is less than 20, true or false?
True. True, sir. It will return true.
True.
It works on true case. It gives only output true and false. Yeah. And your third one, what is a logical operator?
And
Logical operator. And
or not.
and or.
Or not.
And
Or
not.
not.
I think you know, and means what?
Both the operators should be
Both
true.
operators should be true. Or means only one
Any one.
operator
Any
should
of
be
the operators should be true.
true. Not opposite of true. Opposite. If it is true, it becomes false. If it is false, it becomes true. Fine about this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Coming to bitwise operator. Anyone known about bitwise operators?
Yes, sir. And or
Yes.
exclusive
And
or
or
exclusive or.
exclusive or, yeah.
One's complement, left shift, right shift.
Yeah.
Right shift, left shift.
Yeah. This is right shift or left shift?
Left shift, this one.
Left only.
Left only.
This is right.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any confusion on left and right shift? This is left shift. This is right shift. Simple way you can recognize with your hands.
Yeah.
Open hands with the left side with a V symbol that looks like left shift. Open hand with your right, your hand. Open hand with like this, 2 fingers. It looks like V shape only now. Based on your left hand looks like V shape, and right side should be take with the right shift with the right hand side. Clear about this?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Check, you can get a left hand. It starts with left means left shift. It starts with right hand side means right shift. And coming to assignment operator. What is an assignment operator?
Equal to.
Add and
Plus
subtract.
equals
Equal
to
to.
minus equal.
Yeah. Whatever we there in left, right hand side, it combines it into left hand side. That is a operator, I think. Whatever the value is there in right side, it combines it into left side. Age equals to 20. The 20 will combine it into age. It works on right hand side value will combine it into left hand side. We have like equals to any other? Any other?
Plus
Equal to.
plus
Like plus equal,
Plus equal to
minus
minus
equal.
minus equal.
Add
Okay.
and subtract.
Check once. This only
Yes.
is an assignment operator, and we have combination, nothing but we have shorthand assignment operator. Plus equals to addition and assign, subtraction and assign, multiply and assign, division and assign, floor division, modulus, exponent, and we have bitwise operators also. We have combinations, and equals, nor equals, exclusive or equals, left, right shift and left shift, right shift and left shift. These all are we have in this. These all are we have in this. Clear about this all?
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Yes.
I think you have already have an idea, I think. Anyone have, do not have any idea? Anyone? I does not have any idea on this. Anyone there like that?
Sir, I don't have idea, sir.
You have don't have idea on this left assignment operator?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. I'll show with an example. See. Yeah. A equals to 10. This we call as an assignment operator. A is nothing but a like variable. Now I want to perform this shortcut like plus equals to. Like shortcut operator, I want to perform like plus equals to. Like plus equals to. If you apply for a variable like a plus equals to like 20, a plus equals to 20. Internally, our Python interpreter will go with a equals to a plus 20. A equals to a plus 20. A value is already we have 10. 10 plus 20. It gives the output as 30. See, print A. Print A, save the file, Control S. Open command prompt. Yeah. My file name command py and file name is operator1 operators1.py. See, answer is 30. Same way, I'm going with another one like b equals to 50. Now I want to perform like minus equals to b equals to b plus equals to like 10 internally. It goes with b equals to b plus 10. Sorry, minus I need to show. Yeah, minus here. Yeah. B minus 10. Now see the output, print B. I'm printing the P value. Save with Control S. Open command prompt. py command operator 1.py. See, answer is 30. Internally, this we called as a shorthand. This we called a shorthand, but internally it goes with b minus 10. Multiplication also same, and remaining all are same. Like this only we need to do. Clear? Have any doubt?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Now clear it is. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Coming to special operator. What are special operator?
Membership and ternary operators. Membership.
I'm getting one sound. Please off. Yeah.
Membership operators.
We have two types.
Yes, sir.
First one is identity. Identity operator. And second one we have membership operator. Identity operator and membership operator. Yeah. Coming to first one, identity operator. What we have in identity operator? What we have in identity operator? What are the operators?
Is and is not. Is
and is not. Yeah. What are there? Anyone know now? Anyone?
Sir, if two
Okay.
very
Yeah. See, with one example, I am going to tell. Suppose you have like two variables. Like this is an A. This is a B. And tell me one. This address is same. A address I am taking like this address. 1 second. This is B. Okay. A is having address like 101 and B is having the address 201. If you want to compare the address of two variables or two objects, we need to use is. If both are same, it returns true. If both are if both are if both are pointing to same, they are pointing to same. Hello?
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Output will be false.
They are pointing to same. They are having different address. If address are same, it returns true. If address are not same, it's going to be written false. I'll show with an example. Wait. I'll show with an example. 1 second. I'll come with an example. Yeah. A equals to 10. A equals to 10.
10.
B equals to also 10. A equals to 10. B equals to 10. Now tell me, both are pointing to same address or different address?
Same.
How you can say, sir, it is same? How we can say it is the same? By using both are 10 means same.
No, sir, we can't say that.
We need to see with any proof address.
No, sir.
Yeah, to see that Python has provided one inbuilt function called ID. Anyone remember?
Yes, sir.
ID.
Yes.
ID. Anyone remember ID?
Yes, sir.
ID is a function used to print a address of an object or a variable. See, print type ID. ID. I'm writing A. Same one. I want to write with B. B. See, it is going to be print address or anything else. Py operator 2 dot py. See, both are address same.
Yes, sir.
I can say this is a variable. It is storing 10 and both A is pointing to this memory and P is also pointing to this memory and both address are same. I'm assuming address as like 201. I'm assumption. I'm thinking A and B are pointing to same address. To check whether it is doing same or not, pointing to same or not, you can go with is. A is B. Both are same. What is the output?
True.
If both are different, yeah, see, I'm giving as 100. See, this false. Address are C. It's comparing the address. Now the address are different, pointing to different location. It is false. If we apply is not, what will happen? If we apply is not, yeah, it will do reverse. If it is true, it will return as false. If it is false, it return as true. Observe carefully. Yeah, first I will make both are true. It returns true. Both are pointing to same address. Observe. Yeah, see here. Both are pointing to same address. If you apply is, it returns true. If you apply is not, it becomes false. If both are pointing to different locations, different addresses, see. Now A is pointing to different address, B is pointing to different address. So is false, but is not is reverse. It will goes to true. Yeah, all of you clear about is and is not identity operator.
Can you please repeat again?
Identity operator identify the address of a object or a variable. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can ask. No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Coming to next one. Membership operator. What is a membership operator? What we have in membership operator?
In.
Sir,
In, sir. In.
In.
Not
And
in.
one more.
Not in. I think.
Not in. What they do?
Check whether that element is present in that variable.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
If it is present anything, it gives.
Then it will return true.
If it is not written, I will
False.
based on example only you can understand more. I'll go with an example only. Yeah, I'm taking one string. I'm taking one string like a division. And taking one string like division lines. Okay. Now I want to see whether I is present or not in that string. I is present or not. In that case, I can go for in operator. I in S1. I in S1. This I I is present in S1 or not is check-in. It is present or not? All of you?
Present, sir. Yes, sir.
If it is present, it returns true. If it is not present, I think there is no small d. Small d is there?
No.
No.
It's there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
No,
present.
it's there.
Yeah. Last it is there now. Okay. Now I'll go with Z. Z is there.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now what it will return?
False.
False.
False. If you apply not, what will happen now? If you apply not means what? Reverse. Actually, Z is not there in S1. We are getting here what? False. When we apply not, it will return true. Observe. See, it becomes true. If you find
True.
like D, yeah, D is present, it returns true. But here D is present, but true. Reverse what? False. We'll go with false. See, not is simple. If it is not present, it will returns true. If it is present, it returns false. Clear about membership operator? You have any doubt on it? Hello? Guys, please confirm me.
And no, sir, no doubts.
No doubt. Okay. Coming to the last one, ternary operator. Anyone know what is a ternary operator?
Giving dynamic inputs.
Dynamic inputs.
Hmm.
Okay. Anyone know about syntax?
Int of while giving dynamic input, it will take it as a string, sir. We need to convert into.
No. That you are telling that input function you are telling.
Yeah.
I am asking ternary operator.
So question mark.
Question mark.
Yeah, you are telling like in C and Java, I think.
Yes, sir.
In Python, it is not like that.
Okay.
Python, it is not like that. Python is having some different syntax.
So indentation.
Okay. In Python, we have some like result. X is nothing but a result equals to first value. If condition, else second condition, second value. This is the like say if else only, but it is look like ternary. This we are writing a ternary. If else is different. If else, when we enter into if else, I'll show that ternary operator syntax is this. First, check the condition. If the condition is true, first value is going to be assigned. If the condition is false, it goes to second value and assign. Clear our syntax? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll show with an example. Wait. We'll go with an example. Wait 1 second. Yeah. Now, yeah, x equals to 10 is greater than 10 is greater than 2. This is a condition or not? Is a condition
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Observe our syntax. Yeah. Condition. Then I'm writing like if a condition. If condition is true, I'm writing here. I'm writing the value as like true. Like true, I'm writing. Yeah. I'm taking else. Here I'm writing like false. Here I'm writing like false. I'm printing the value. Print x. Print the result. Whatever it comments it into X, I want to print that X. Now tell me what will be the output here?
True, sir.
Py ternary on dot py. It is true. Suppose it is 20. What will happen? If the condition is evaluated to false, false means it goes to else, and the else value is false, will comments it into X. Observe. False. Remember, if the if condition is true, the first value will going to be assigned to X. If the if condition is false, it goes to else. The else values come assigned to X. Clear? Have any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No?
No.
Okay. Come back with some topics I have. Okay. To take dynamic inputs, till now I'm showing only static inputs. Directly I'm taking the values. Okay. To take dynamic inputs, how we can take the dynamic inputs in Python?
We need to use input keep.
Hmm?
Input functions.
Yeah, one function called input. This function is used to read data from console. You are entering where the output? Console only na. What is this? CMD is nothing but a console. Whatever the value we are entering in the console, it is be reading. It will be read. So I'll show with a small example. See on that. New. Yeah. This is correct or not? I can run this file now. Guys, I can run
Sir,
now.
the value should be assigned to a variable, I think.
Yeah, okay. I can run or not? Any error if I run? Any error or it is valid?
It is valid. No
Valid
error.
only na? See,
Valid.
our console is blinking. See, to enter a character, you enter something data. Our command is waiting. See, it's blinking. You need to enter. I'm entering like 10. Press the enter key. The value is enter, but it is not storing. To store the value, we need to assign to any of them. I'm assigning to X. Now print X. Now see the value. Yeah, now it is blinking. It's ready to wait. I'm entering a value 10. 10 has been entered. Suppose I want to make the clarity to user. Enter your name like, enter your age like, then you need to write is a parameter argument. This function has supported to 0 argument and you can write any argument. So I'm writing like string. I'm writing here, enter a value. Enter a value. Yeah. I want to print value equals to. Value equals to. Now I'll run the example. Observe py input 1 dot py. Now I am entering the key. See, it is asking enter a value. If I enter a value 10, the value equals to 10. Now I want to do addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. X, y equals to input, enter a value, and z equals to x plus y. And next I want to print like addition equals to comma z. What is the output? Anyone?
So X and Y will be concatenate.
So concatenation will.
Y A concatenation.
Because
Because
input
the type
will
of the
return.
input will be string.
Yeah. We have to do explicit typecasting.
Explicit typecasting.
We have to put input integer in front of input.
Integer. Okay. We'll execute. We'll see. See what is happened. Just 10 and 20 has been written, but but addition is not happened. Why? What happened here?
Both value are in
by
string.
default, it is just string.
Yeah, one thing remember, where you are entering the input, what is this type? It's a console, I think, CMD. What is CMD? Is a CUI or GUI? Guys,
GUIs.
GUI means the colors, GUI means black and white, I think. Okay, anything. The GUI or CUI, anything you can go. Okay. Yeah. CUI means what? Character user interface, I think. Guys, CUI means what? Character user interface. GUI means graphical user interface, I think. Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You entering anything is a character. That input function returns as a string. What is proof, sir? You are telling it returns a string. What is proof? The proof is we have a one function called type. Anyone know about type? Anyone know about type?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It returns the type of a object or a variable x. I want to know the type of a x. See, write print type of x. Same way, go with y. Same way, go with z. Z. Now I'm running the example. See, 10 and 20. What are there? 10 is what?
String.
String type. 20 is what?
String.
String type. And z is also of string type. Here after z. Z is also string. When you adding, it is not number. What they are? There are strings. They are not numbers. They are strings. Whenever you perform addition to strings, they goes with concatenation. Concatenation. How to solve this one?
So we can typecast. We can
Yeah.
typecast into int and
Yeah. Before that,
Data
we need to
types.
know what is a type. What are data types we have? If you know data
Numeric
types
we
only,
have.
if you know data types, then you can do typecasting. Yeah. What is a data type then? Now I saw str. What is a data type?
So we define what kind of data can be stored at a memory
Yeah.
location.
Now you can say Axis can store the type of string. What X is storing here in this program?
String.
String. What data type specifies? Data type
String set.
specifies what
String.
data there can store. So before some examples I show like 10, 20, 30, what they are storing, what type? They are
Integer.
storing
Integer
integer
type.
type. So based on this category, we have some data types. How many we have? How many we have?
5.
First,
First one.
data type specifies types of data they store. Yeah.
Integer.
String, sir.
Okay.
String.
First one numbers, string,
Boolean.
List, sir. List.
list,
Tuple.
tuple,
Array, sir. Array.
set,
Dictionary.
Dictionary. Dictionary. Number, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. And we have some byte, byte array, and eclipse. It is used in numpys. When going to numpys, some other they may be added there, learn there, yet that are not required. There in NumPy and pandas, it is there required. There you can learn them. Just in Python, we have important these are number, string, list, tuple, and set. Coming to first one, numbers. What we have?
Integer float.
And
Integer float complex.
What are there in numbers?
Integer float complex.
Yeah, number data type stores numeric values. It stores numeric values. We have totally 4. It supports 4. What are there? Some you tell int, okay. Any other? Forgot
Complex.
long.
Complex.
Yeah. Float.
Complex.
Complex. And what is an int? What is an int? What is an int data type? It is a plain integer, I can say. It's a plain integer. X equals to 10. Y equals to 60. This is what these all are. What these all are?
Integers.
I can say these are plain integers. Plain means there is no floating point directly.
Yes.
Directly. And second one we have long. In Python, long is supported.
Not supported.
It is duplicated. It is duplicated in third version. In 3 version, it has been duplicated. Before 3, like 2 point versions, long is supported. But after 2 version, from third version onwards, long is not supported. You can use integer only. Integer can store, there's no limit. It can store nth of data on it. It can store non-limited amount of data. You can store big value also int, it is valid. I'll show, see. See, it can store long. Before versions we have in second 2 point, second version, after third version, it has been duplicated. And coming to the third one, floating data type. What we have floating data type? What is a floating?
It's a decimal data type.
Is a point number. The number which has a point. Nothing but a scientific notations. Example, a equals to 0.36. A equals to 0 point. It has like point number. It is like a point number. We call them as a float. And next, complex. What is a complex?
Real plus imaginary.
Real plus imaginary.
It has imaginary parts and real parts, I think. I and R. Or J.
J, sir.
J,
J
sir.
or I.
I, J, sir. I and J.
Imaginary we should not mention, but real we need to mention, I think, when you are studying in max, somewhere in your education. 10i is valid or invalid? Valid or invalid?
So invalid.
Invalid, sir.
Invalid only.
Yes, sir.
It is valid.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Valid or any error?
No, sir. It is valid.
This is imaginary and this is real. Real
Sir,
should show with
10 is real,
J.
sir.
10
is real and 0 is imaginary, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So I can mention anything. I can mention your 20 also. Yeah, 10 comma 20. And you can see type of this. What is the type now?
Complex.
Complex.
See, what is the type of complex type? These all are belongs to which category? These all are belongs to
Number.
First category.
these all are belongs to numbers category. Numbers category we have 4: int, long, float, and complex integer. Nothing but a plain integer. It does not have any decimal points. And long is duplicated in the third version onwards. And float we have points like point versions, and we have one complex. And next coming to next one, string. What is a string?
The
Set of
sequence
characters.
of
What is
Set
a
of
string?
character.
Set
Simple.
of characters.
Anything enclosed in double quotes is called string. Whatever you write inside double quotes, it is a string. Right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes, single quotes
See?
also.
See. What is this? String.
String.
Anything. Valid this one?
Yes, sir.
Anything. But Python supports single quotes also as a string. If I write single quotes, it is also treated as a string. Anything enclosed in double quotes or single quotes is called a string. And
Sir,
Yeah.
Python supports triple quotes also.
yeah, triple quotes we'll discuss. It is go to documentation of string. We have a time to discuss on that. I'll discuss when the time is come. I'll discuss on that. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
When strings concept has came, again I'll discuss more on that. Just I'm explaining on data type of that. Just an explaining data type of that. Not complete topic. You have the topic. Don't worry about that. This is about a string. And next to what we have? List. Anyone know what is a list?
collection of different
Group of data.
types,
Group of data types can be stored.
Simple. Anything
Collection of data.
be written in inside this. This is a string. I think I can say. Whatever I written in the square brackets, it is a list. Right or wrong?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah, your voice. See. List only.
Yes.
Simple. Whatever you written in square bracket inside. I'm saying only simple way. When the topic has been data structure, in that we'll discuss more on list. What is there in list configuration? All we'll discuss how many ways we can access list, what are the functions are in their list. There we can see. And next coming to tuple. How we can say tuple? Simple way.
It is
We'll
having
discuss more on
brackets.
that. Huh?
Curly braces.
Brackets.
Parenthesis, I think this one.
Yes.
This is nothing but a parenthesis when you declare a function. Regularly we use. Coming with an example. We'll see with an example and we can confirm it. Yeah. It's a parenthesis. What it is, KMC? What it is, KM?
String.
Who we can say it is a tuple?
Sir, we have to put a comma.
Yeah. That
So
point.
we
you
have
need.
to put a comma too.
Yeah, when you put on comma in a bracket, it is nothing but a tuple, comma tuple. But if you remove bracket, also tuple, comma tuple. Observe, I did not remove this parenthesis. I removed, but it looks like a tuple only. That is also a tuple only. Tuples are comma separated. Nothing but at initial time, we need to separate with a comma. Separate with a comma. Just I'm writing with a comma. Separate with nothing but a comma. We'll discuss more. We'll discuss. We have tuple packing, unpacking. Before that, we got an error in packing. What is that error? That all we'll discuss. Don't worry about it. Just a small. How. And next we have dictionary. You all. Oh, sorry, set. What is a set? How set look? Yeah, whatever there in curly braces, starting parenthesis and ending parenthesis. Okay, go through once, we'll check and we'll confirm it. Yeah, it's nothing but a set. Okay, dictionary.
Logical association between
Set
key
of
and value
keys and
pairs.
Dictionary.
Set of key and values.
Dictionary, keys and values, but we represent in curly brace only, I think.
Yeah.
It has key, colon, values. Like it has key. I can say this is key like ABC. ABC. One second.
And you have to put in quotes.
Yeah, simple. I write the key.
So you have to put in quotes.
Yeah, it should be a like string one. Yeah, it is a dictionary. See in output, it is a dictionary. The key should be in a string. Okay. Then example. All the 6 data types clear, or you have any confusion? Guys, once again, I'm going with that. Numbers, we have 4. And in that 4, long is not going to be support. And next we have string. Whatever we written in double quotes inside and single quote inside, we call them as string. And list, anything placed in a square bracket inside with a comma separated values, we call them as list. And anything we placed in a separated, comma separated, we call them as a tuple. And anything we place in a braces, starting brace and in ending brace with a comma separated value, we call them as a set. And dictionary, we have a keys and value. Keys should be a string type and values can be any type. And this is nothing but a string. All of you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
And remember, just I discussed only one line of list, tuple, set, dictionary and string. I will discuss more on that. Wait some time. Clear about this? Guys,
Yes,
clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We occur with one problem. Remember the addition. We are struck with one problem. This is that problem, I think. We are struck. What is happening here?
Concatenation.
Concatenation. But what we need to do? We need to do convert. This all are X is what data type? X is a data type of string. X is a string data type. Y is also a string data type. Z is also a string data type. Now to convert from one data type to another data type, from string to int, we call that mechanism as a typecasting or a type conversions. Typecasting or a type conversions. What is now? Tell me about what is typecasting.
Sir, converting one data type to another.
Yeah, converting from one data type to another data type. What are there?
Sir, explicit and implicit data.
Casting or type conversion. Yeah. To do this typecasting or type conversion, Python has provided some functions. Anyone known about that functions? Anyone listen about that functions? Anyone? What are the typecasting or type conversion functions we have in Python?
Int function, string function, and so on.
That's all. Anyone other than this function names? Okay, then. You know about int function? Anyone seen about this int function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no. Int,
Yes, sir.
float. Next, string function we have. Next, list.
That
Tuple.
Tuple. Tuple. Set. Next, dictionary. Next, anyone listen about ORD? Anyone
Sir,
know
it's
about
a ordered.
Ordinary function.
ordinary? HEXA, hexa. Anyone? Octa. Yeah. Anyone listen about this all? I know, sir, this all of you. Yeah, guys, waiting for your reply. You know or do not know? Guys, give me reply.
yes, sir.
Yeah, int, float, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, ORD, hexa, octa, and complex. Yeah, I'll show them in one example, all this level, just to see with an example. You'll get a clarity on that with an example. Yeah. Print int of 1, 2, 3. What is that type? What is this one? What value I'm sending here? What is this type of?
String.
String.
String. The string will convert into integer.
Integer.
Integer. See the output. It converts into int, or if you want to check with any type, okay, we'll go with that also. A equals to 1, 2, 3. Print type of A, and I want to convert that one. Int of A, print type of B. Save the example and run. See, converted from string to int. Can convert from string to int. Same way. Clear about this example, or you have any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose if I given like what will the output here? Because see the syntax, what I given base, I'm given the base as 2. What will be give the output?
Binary number.
Binary number. This is a, it takes it as a binary digits and convert into decimal, convert into integer. This is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, and 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, and 2 power 3. What is the answer of 2 power 3? 2 power 3, 8. 8 plus 2 power 0 is 1. 8 plus 1, 9. The output is 9. See? Output is 9.
9.
If you send a float value, what will be the output? What will the output if I given the float value?
So 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. If I send string, what is the output? If I given A, what is the output here?
ASCII value of the t.
ASCII value. We'll get an error. We'll get an error. Int function converts only numbers. It can be a number, it can be a binary digits, which should be placed only in either in a float or either in a double quotes. Whatever you did in double quotes, it is a string. But double quotes inside you should have only numbers only, either a binary or either a integer number. Other than this, if you are writing like characters, letters, it will throw an error. Clear about this? All of you clear? Have any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Coming to next one, float. Next one is float. Yeah. Print float of 5. What will the output?
5.0.
That is about float. Whatever you enter, it will convert into float. But if I enter string, it will convert. Guys, string. Guys, if I enter string, it will convert or not?
Then it will convert.
Clear? Whatever you need to write, that should be on related to an integer or a floating point only. You need to remember about that. And coming to next one, string. What is this function? Whatever you enter in this function inside X, it converts into string. So I'm taking like one I equals to what is the I value? Anyone? What is the type of I? Guys,
Integer.
I is integer. Okay. Now this I want to convert into string. str of I. str of I, print type of G. Now check the output whether it is convert or not. See, integer. You can convert integer to string. Same way I can convert floating point. Float valid or invalid?
Sir, valid.
See, float also you can, whatever the X value is there, that we can convert into string. You can convert into string. Yeah. Next, we have list. Next, we have list. Yeah. Same, I want to take print what is this type of what is this type of
String.
I can convert this type to list. I can convert to list or not? I'm asking that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you can convert.
To convert that, what is the function we need to do? See, converted to list. List. If you want to print, you can print the data. Print the list one. See, list I said placed in a square brackets. There are our string is there in square brackets with comma separated value. See, observed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why it is happening, sir? We are all discussing list in data structures of Python. We'll discuss on that there. Till that time, hold it. And next we have tuple. Tuple. Same one only I'm taking. Same string only I'm taking. Yeah, converting into tuple. Times I written. Print tuple. See. Yeah, tuple, convert to tuple, and tuple is also convert with a comma separated value. It is represent of tuple. String I am converting into tuple. Next, same way I want to convert into, next we have what? Set, I think. Set. Simple. Just I will do some modification on here only. Set. 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 I did a modification. Same one. See, it converts into set. And next we have dictionary. Yeah, how to convert a dictionary? Dictionary we have keys and values, I think.
Yes, sir.
Then how we need to convert a dictionary? What will have dictionary? Dictionary should have key and value, I think.
Yes, sir.
Dictionary supports only key and value. For this, we need to represent a key and a value. But I'm going with one example like a tuple. I'm going with one example like tuple. See, tuple. It's like nested tuple. I'm going tuple inside tuple, like a colon 1, a comma 1. This is one tuple. This is one tuple. Same way I'm going with another tuple, b comma 2. This is one more tuple. This is completely tuple. This is completely one tuple. Inside the tuple, I am taking another tuple. That is the nested tuple. Now this acts as a key. It acts as a value. It acts as a key. It acts as a value. See the print. Type of TUP. First I'll show the type. See, tuple only the type. Now I'll convert into dictionary. Dictionary of TUP. Tuple. See the output. Converted, huh? Just dictionary only now. Dictionary only we have the columns. This is a key and this is a value. We need to use nested. We need to mention a key and value. These all are keys and these all are values. Up to here clear, or you have any doubts here? Int, float, tuple, set,
Clear, sir.
list, and dictionary.
Yes, sir.
And string. Now coming to ORD. Anyone listened as this one? ORD. What is this ORD? Anyone known about this? Yeah. ORD converts characters to integer. See, this is a nothing but character. Anything enclosed in single quotes. Actually, it's a string only. Actually, it is a string only, but single is there. We'll call it as a like character, but it is string only. You can see with the type also it is string only. ORD will convert this a to integer. What is the integer representation of a according to ASCII value?
65 or 66.
65.
Yeah, 65. Clear, huh? When we need to use ORD means if you want to convert simple ASCII values, how many we have?
128.
128.
No, 2.
0 to 255. Total, if you count with 0, 1, 2, 3, total will get 256. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Count with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I count, total 56. Best example in your keyboard also. Keyboard. When you are typing in the keyboard also, you have only 256 characters. If you have time, you can count them. ASCII values. We have 0 to 255. ORD converts the ASCII values from that character ASCII values to integer. There we need to use ORD. Next we have HEX, hexa. What is hexa? Hexa representation. How we can see a number with hexadecimal? Anyone know now?
It is integer
Starting.
number to lowercase number.
It is an hexa only. A is 10, I think, in hexa representation.
Yes, sir.
0x stands for hexa. A. If I given level, I think it is a B.
Yes, sir.
0 to 9 numerics. 10 is A, level is B. 12 is C. Remembered,
Yes, sir.
Forgot. And next we have one more, octa. How octa will stand? Octa. Octa. Octa means 8. Octa representation is 8 only, I think.
Yes, sir.
0 to 7.
Octa 0 to 9, 0 to 8.
Sir, 0 to 7.
0 to 7.
0 to
7.
0 to 7.
7.
0 to 7 or 0 to 8? See, 0 O, it stands for octa, and I given 8. This is our binary representation is 1 0. Why 1 0? It starts with 8 power 0 and 8 power 1. What is the answer of 8 power 1? 8 only.
8.
Yeah. And next we have complex, I think. Complex, real and imaginary. Yeah, it's an example. Simple. C equals to, we have a function complex. Yeah. Here I'm given 10, comma 5. Print C. Complex. Clear about all? You have any doubt on them? Guys, clear or you have any doubt?
Yes.
Sir, clear.
Clear only or you have any doubt on conversions, total level
No doubt.
conversions? Integer converting into integers, floating point conversion, and anything will convert into string. Any data type converts into list, tuple, and anything converts into set, and dictionary we should have keys and values. We need to go for nested. And ORD convert from ASCII characters to integers, converting a number to hexadecimal, converting an integer to octa number, and complex. Any doubt them? Anyone have doubt on this level? Fine or clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay.
Sir, we also have a bin function to convert a decimal to binary.
Yeah. Okay. Bin. What bin will take? Bin or bool? We have bin or bool.
Bool, sir.
Bool, sir.
Bin or bool?
Bool.
Then, sir.
Bool.
Yeah, it is bool. Bool means what? Boolean only true and false, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If I send 1, what will happen to bool?
It will return true.
True.
If I send 0,
False.
if I send any empty string, nothing is there means empty.
False.
Error.
False. Empty also is treated as to 0. Empty list, there is an empty list. False. Other than empty or 0, remaining all case, it returns true. If I enter 0, false or true?
False.
False. If I enter 5,
True.
yeah. Yeah, true. Remember 0 case and empty string, empty list, empty tuple, empty set. In that cases, the Boolean will return so false. Other than this, all cases, it returns so true. It returns so true. Yeah. Yeah. Any other doubt on this 12 functions? All of you clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm entering to the just up to here. You know everything. You have some idea on this. Up to here, you will learn in your academic year, outside, anywhere, any places you will learn. I know. Now coming to actual your thinking concept topic, like control flow statements. Anyone listen this word? Control flow statement.
Yes, sir. It's
Yes, sir.
like
Yes,
if else.
sir. If else, if
Yeah, yeah.
else, if.
Okay. I'm asking what is control flow statement?
Sir, we choose which are the statements that need to be executed depending upon the conditions.
Okay. Yeah. Till now, this is a long example, I think. What is this? It's a long example. Up to I typed 98 lines. Anything is stop execution. Any line is not executed in this. What I typed. All are executed or anything I skipped any line. Guys.
Sir, the comments are skipped.
Yeah, yeah. In this 98 lines, what I written like prints all, anything our interpreter has missed Python interpreter?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
This execution we call as a sequential control structure or sequential control statement. These all are executed from top to bottom with a sequence. With a sequence, there is no skipping concept. But I want to control the flow of execution of a statement. Then we need to go for control flow statement selection statements, or you can go for iteration statements, or you can go for jumping statements. You have an idea on that? Listen about that, huh?
While loop.
Isn't that control flow statements, decision statements, if else if, looping statement, while, for, terminate statements, break, continue and pass. I think you know about all this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Coming to selection statements. Yeah, coming to selection statements, or you can call conditional statements, anything. Tell me about what is simple if. You know about simple if, I think. Simple if, anyone known? What is simple if statement? What is simple if?
So in simple, if we use if keyword, after that a condition and certain set of instructions are passed in the body.
If expression statement 1, statement 2. This is a syntax of simple if. Yeah, if this expression is true, if this expression evaluated to true, if it is true, it executes all these statements. If the expression is false, if the expression is false, it's come out from the if. It come out from the if. If it is true, it executes as statement 1 and statement 2. If the expression is false, it simply come out from the if. All of you clear about this, or you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear. Okay, I'll go with one example. I want to find biggest number among 2. Clear, all of you? I want to find the biggest number. Yeah. How to write logic? Anyone help me? Anyone know now? First, I'll tell how if is work, then we'll see about that. Okay, I'm taking like a equals to 10. If give some space, a is greater than 10, colon, print a is greater than 10. Next time come out from the if, I'm writing print and I'm writing print and save the program. I'll compile it. Py if one dot py and if is not executed because if is false. Suppose if I enter 0, a equals to 100. Now 100 is greater than 10. Now observe the output. We are going to get a is greater than 10 and end also. This is if simple if executes when expression is true. If the expression is true, it are going to be executed. After executing comes to the end. If the if is false, it comes to, it skips this block and comes to print. Now I want to find biggest number among 2 numbers. Anyone? How to find biggest number among 2 in a dynamic way? First, I need to take a input, enter first number. P equals to input, enter second number. These are string type. I need to convert into int. Type conversion I need to apply. Int. I need to convert. I didn't cross check also. Type of A. Type of B. Both are int. Okay. Now tell me how to find biggest number amount to. Guys,
If A is greater than B, then print A is greater.
if A is greater than B, print A is big. A is big. Save the program.
Else,
I am still now in if only. I am not going with if else. I am asking. I want to find biggest number amount in if only. Simple if only.
If B is greater than A, then print.
See. Okay, we'll see how to solve that issue. How we need to think. Enter first number 100. Enter second number 50. Now what is the A value? A value is 100. B value is 50. I am comparing A is greater than B. Condition is true. A is big. See, if the condition is wrong, like it is 10 and this is 50. Now, if condition is wrong, there is no output. There is no output because of this is not going to be execute. If it's not going to be execute. Okay, fine. Now, how you will find B is big? Anyone?
Sir, we need to write one more condition.
Yeah. If you write one more condition, like if what we need to write your condition?
B greater than
A.
B is greater than
A.
Print B is big. Okay, fine.
Big.
Okay. Now I'll run 10, 50. Okay. Again, I am going to be run like 100 and 50. Okay, fine. But if both are same, what will happen?
so nothing will be printed.
But anything one should be big now. Anything should be big. How to solve this problem?
From one
This
more
two,
condition. A equal
both are
to
same.
A
If both are same, you can say whether A is big or B is big. Anything you can print. What we need to do here?
so greater than equal to use.
So we can use greater than equal to in one.
Here and here also I need to use.
Yes.
Okay.
No, sir, we have to use in.
No, sir. Both condition will be true now.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We have to
See.
put it in only one.
Only one. Anyone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Anyone. But tell me once. I am getting the output here when both are same or not. When both the values are same, at the 11th line only, I am getting the output. Right or wrong? If both are 10 and 10, A is 10, B is 10, at the line number level, if condition is going to be true, and in the 11th line only, I am going to get a answer, result. Up to here, correct or wrong, I am asking to you. Guys. Guys.
Sir, it's correct.
Here only I am getting the output now.
It's
Yes,
correct,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, comment of this if our interpreter is checking this if condition or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is checking the system.
Already you get the output. Again, you are checking the condition here. Is it time waste or time useful?
The
Time
waste.
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 Time waste. how can you solve this problem? If you have two biggest number, in two you need to find one, you use two if. If you have three, how many simple if? If you have four numbers, you need to find one biggest number. How many if you need to use them? If you get the output also, how many if conditions are going to be compiled by interpreter, executed by interpreter? This is a time waste, I think.
So,
You are wasting the time of our program, or program may be little delay our result. How can we solve this one?
By using else.
Using else.
Yeah,
By
if
using else.
simple, if one is executed, other should not be executed. Right or wrong?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, if this is executed, it should not be compiled. It should our interpreter should not go for this. That is nothing but we need to go with else. That we called as if else. If else or if else. If else. We need to go with if else. How if else are going to be work, sir? If is true, only if statements are going to be executed. If is false, else statements are going to be executed. You show with the syntax. If expression statement one, else, yeah, remember else also we need to put colon. Statement two. Statement two. Yeah. Now tell me, if the expression is true, if the expression is true, what will happen? If the if condition is true, statement one will be executed. Statement one will be executed. If the expression evaluated to false, if the if expression is evaluated to false, it executes statement 2. It executes statement 2. Clear about this syntax, or you have any doubt on the syntax? Guys,
Here, sir.
if expression is true, statement 1 going to be executed. If the expression is false, statement 2 block going to be executed. Okay. We'll go with one example on it. Yeah, same only, but we need to choose some changes. What is the changes? Else. No, else. Now save the program and just run it. Py if2.py, change the file. 10 and 10. Now A is big. Now B is going to be executed. Huh?
No, sir.
Now our compiler will going to check else also? No. It only works with mutex. One is executed, other is not executed. If is true, only if only will execute it. If the if is false, then only it goes to else. Clear? And tell me what is difference between simple if and if else? When we need to go for simple if and when we need to go for if else? Anyone?
Sir, if we want to check all the conditions, so we go through it.
Okay.
And we have an alternate option, so we go through if and else.
Yeah, simple I can say simple if works only on true case. If else false also works. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If works only on true case, but if else works on false case also. Clear? Or you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear. But
Clear.
this, yeah, but this mechanism, biggest number of 2, without using else also, we can solve in if by using only single if, we can solve biggest number among 2. That is, I am giving you a lifetime task. Anyway, anytime. Don't include on that. When you're having a free time, try on that and you can send to me, sir, I got it. By using simple if also you can solve. By using only one if, only one expression, you can solve biggest number among 2. That is your real up to lifelong task. When you have free time, at that time you sit down, practice, and you can solve it. That is your interest. Yeah, up to here, clear? Any you have any doubts on if and if else? Guys?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Yeah. Next we have one more combination of this. Anyone known? Anyone?
If Alex.
If elif, remember?
Else.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, one more statement. If elif else. If elif else. So where we need to solve this one, sir? Suppose that in this example, if both numbers are same, I want to print same. If both I am entering 10 and 10, here I am showing one thing is big, A is big. I want to show both are same. In that case, you can go for if else if. I'll show one syntax. If expression statement 1, elif expression statement 2, elif expression statement 3, and next last else statement 4. Yeah, and remember, so I am dividing and make the clarity like this is an expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3. Yeah, 3. Coming to here, expression 1, it is true. Expression 1 is true. Now what will happen? Expression 1 is true. Statement 1 will be executed. If expression 1 is true, only statement 1 is going to be executed. Remaining statements are not executed. Suppose expression 1 is false. Expression 1 is false. Now what happened? If expression 1 is false,
Expression 2
else
is
if
checked.
expression is checked. If now what happened? Expression 2 is going to be checked. If expression 2 is true, what will happen?
Statement
2
will be executed.
2 will be printed. Statement 2 is going to be printed. I think It is confusing you. I'm writing like this. Or I need to make clear, or it is confusing.
Sir, it's clear.
Yes.
Clear, or need to make in a boxes.
Sir,
Clear, or I need to make in a boxes clearly, like flowchart.
No, sir, it's clear.
It's clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to here, if expression 1 false, yes, we are in false only, and expression 2 is also false. Now see, if this is false, it goes to expression 2. If expression 2 is false, what we need to go for? We need to go for expression 3. If the expression 3 is true, expression 3, its evaluation is true. What is the results? Statement 3 is going to be executed. If expression 1 is false, if expression 2 is false, Python, yeah. And if the expression 3 is true, it comes to statement ring. If all are false, what will happen? If all are false,
else will be executed.
false means it goes to statement 4. It executes statement 4. Clear about this syntax explanation for all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah. Now help me on this program. How to solve this program? Yeah. Yeah. What we need to write first? If A is equals to B, right or wrong this one? Print same. I'm writing is as same. Next, I'm going with L if A is greater than B. Print A is greater than B. A is greater than B. L if, what can I write here? Else or L if?
Sir, else.
Else. What I can write?
B is greater.
B is greater than A.
Yeah.
Saving the program and executing it. If 3, my file name is if 3. 10 and 10. Both are same, working. 10 and 20. B is great, it's working. And 100 and 50. A is great. It is all cases, it is working. Clear? Else if clear, or you have any error?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
But remember one thing, what we need to write here, expression should be true or false. If it is false only, it goes to else or else if. When else is going to be, if is going to be false, in which situations if is going to be false? How many situations we have expression false? First thing, 0. What is 0? 0 is also like false only na.
Yeah.
Like Boolean, when I return on Boolean na. If you return 0, if condition is false. If you write false, if condition is false. Empty string, if condition is false. Empty, it is also false. And yeah, some remaining cases. Other than these cases, if is true. Other than these cases, if is true. If is false only on when the value is 0. Like a equals to 0, if you put on, if it is 0, it goes to else only. And if the expression is false, the if is false. If the empty, if you return anything here empty also it evaluates as to false. If a list is empty, if you write a list anything empty, it is evaluated to false. These are the ways if is going to be false. Other than these cases, if is true only. Fine, or you have any confuse? Confuse or fine?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
If you want to see, you can see. Anything executed, I given 0. Anything executed?
No, sir.
Anything executed? String is empty. Nothing is executed.
Okay.
If you return false, see, nothing is executed. That is I return here. If is going to be false only on this case as 0, false, empty string, empty list, and some so on, like tuple. Clear?
Clear.
Any doubt? Yeah. Okay, then I'm moving to another topic. Loops. What is a loop? Why we need loop? Guys.
That when we want to execute a statement multiple times, so we use loop.
Okay.
So we don't have
Yeah.
to write it multiple times.
Okay. What you are saying is nothing but I want to print some message like this. If I want to print like this message number of times, you need to go for loop. You are saying that only? Yeah. Hello? Hello? My voice is...
Yes, sir. Your voice is
Sir.
clear.
Yeah, you are tell before loop means execute. If you want to execute multiple times, we need to use loops. You are saying, I think. Hello? Okay. I want to print welcome to Python 5 times. How will write by using loop? Yeah, normal. Forgot about Python. Keep it aside Python logic.
For
You can tell in
for I in range
Range of 0 to 5.
range
5
okay.
range. Welcome to Python.
Okay. Now it is going to be 5 times. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose I can copy paste 5 times also, it will work now. Welcome
Yes.
to Python. 5 times also I can copy paste now. 5 times copy paste, it executes same output only now.
Yes,
Then
sir.
why we are
Yes,
going to
sir.
loops? Why we need loops then?
Can execute repeatedly, sir.
Well,
Repeatedly.
there's a less number of lines.
Your voice is disturbance.
Example, we want to execute multiple times a single statement. We use,
Okay, if you want to execute like 100 times.
yeah.
Okay. Then I can copy paste to 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 80, again 10, 20, 100, finished. Control C.
The less
Control.
Instead of that,
for the less line of code, sir.
Large lines of code.
Yes, sir.
Who will be bothered about that? Lines need output. How much code you write, they need, huh? They need output. They'll check your code, how do you write, this many lines you written.
Sir, for decreasing for memory management.
Memory management, see, here you are declaring some memory is used. Compile time, every time should be wake up. Each and every time you should to check. I should be increment, I need to check, I need to print. It takes some time. And when come to print, these are the sequence statements. One is true, all 99 true, very fast. It is very slow here. Performance. Then why we are going to loops only?
To reduce complexity, sir.
What type of complexity?
Time
More
complexity.
number of ports will be.
Oh, you are missing small one situation. Enhancement. What is enhancement? Suppose today he asked welcome 100 times. Tomorrow he asked output has changed. You need to say hi to Python. Then here, how you will change? Here changing is easy. Just if you change this one line, it is affected to all 100 lines easily. You can print. But came to here, if you write 100 lines, you need to use either Control H, that shortcut key, or you need to type all 100 lines. You got it a point? Guys,
Yes.
if you use Control H in your program, wherever the welcome is there, it will change to high. It affects the remaining code also. Use Control H. If you are using editing like first line, here high, second printer high, like this 100 lines will change. Huh? How much time it will take for developer? You are a developer. You need to think in a developer way. Loops are used for enhancement, nothing but a modification. You need to think in a developer way. When you are telling any answer, we need to think in some developer way. Enhancement, nothing but modifications are very easy when we use for loops. Clear? Or you have any doubt on this?
Clear, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Point you understand? Again, I need to repeat it.
No, sir.
Not understand or understand?
And understand, sir.
Remember, only for enhancement. So the modifications are very easy. Only one line modification. Here all 100 lines modifications. If the 1000 lines are there, think about how many hours you take the time. It is only 1 second for developers. This is for developers. It takes hours of time. That is the time complexity. Okay, come to our actual topic. What are loops we have in Python? What are the loops supported in Python? What are iterated statements supported in Python?
loops we have for while.
Yeah. What we have? For,
For
okay.
and while.
While,
while.
Next.
while.
Do while is there.
Do
Do while is there or not there?
Sir, no, sir, it is not there.
Not there.
It's
Not
not
there.
there.
Not there, sir.
Not there.
Not there in Python.
Okay, that's all. Or we have any other? Any other we have for while? Okay, fine.
We
Coming-
have for else.
Yeah, that are
So we have
combinations.
for else.
Yeah, okay, for else we have, while else we have, and nested loops also we have.
Nested loops also. Yes.
Yeah, nested loops. Based on this combination only I can say. Based on this combination. Coming to the part of for loop. What is the syntax of for loop? Syntax.
Sir,
For
that,
in range of, for I in range of, like variable range of.
Sir,
It's called sequence.
Yes, sir.
Clear? For executes until the condition is false, I think. Up to the sequence end. Up to the last sequence.
Yes.
If the sequence is like 0, 1, 2, 3, how many times the loop is going to be executed?
4 times.
4
4
times.
times. Up to the sequence. How many sequences are there? Up to that sequence it was going to be executed. We'll see with one example on that. File, new. Python. Okay. Yeah. I'm taking one list. List 1 equals to, in this I am writing our, like I am writing Hadoop, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, or anything else you wanted, you can mention on this. Okay. These all are sequence only or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are sequence means I can write here. This is a sequence only now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. For what we need to write here, I'll discuss. Yeah. In list 1. What is list 1? List 1 is nothing but Hadoop, ML, AL, and AI and DL. Okay. Here we need to write variable name. I say I'm writing a variable name like I. Variable name like I, colon, print I. Print I. Now it iterates up to the last list. What is the last list?
DL.
DL. The last list is DL. Loop 1 dot 2. Clear? Huh? Hadoop, ML, AI,
Yes,
and DL. Up to the last iteration just came. Yeah. Okay. Clear about for up to here? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, in a sequence, here sequence we have. Here we can place one function called range. Called range. Range. Range is actually a function. Range actually is a function. What is their range inside? What are the parameters? What are the arguments we have in range?
Start, stop.
Start,
Starting value, stopping.
stop,
Then step.
step,
Step.
step. What is start? Start default is 0. Start default is 0. 1 minute. So it's coming from my side. Yeah. It starts with a default. It starts here with a 0. And what is stop? Yeah, guys, 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. My voice is clear now? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay. Yeah, coming time. Where we are stop. Yeah. So what is stop?
Ending value.
Yeah, it's ends. It's nothing but ends. But it's answer stop -1. If you enter like, if it is like 5, what is 5 - 1? Yeah, it go with 4. It is a stop -1. If you mention 5, it will go with 4, like a 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. And next we have step. Step is nothing but like increment. Step is nothing but like increment, and default is 1. Default is 1. We can change also, no problem. Default is 1. And remember, step cannot be 0. Step cannot be 0. We never mention step as 0. If you mention, you'll get an error. Step cannot be 0. Stop, whatever the value you enter, it is -1. And start, default value is 0.
0.
Clear? You have any doubt on this? Yeah. If you write like a range equals to like 10, but defaultly it takes as a stop only. Defaultly it is take as a stop only. How it will work? 10 - 1 up to 9 only it will go. Mandatory, we need to mention stop. Mandatory. You cannot skip from that. Stop is mandatory. Remaining start and steps are optionals. Clear? Having any doubt? Guys, clear or having any doubt?
Please.
Yes, sir.
For x in range, see, if I given 10, see the output. Yeah, where it is starting defaultly. Start is starting defaultly from 0, and every step is incremented by 1. That is also a default. And its ends, the sequence is end at stop -1. 10 - 1 is 9. So, sir, I want to go up to 10, sir. Make it as +1. Came output up to 10. I want to start with 1. Yes, you can go with 1 comma. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I want to increment with 2. Default is 1. See, there is no output change. Default is 1. If I return to See, you'll get all odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. You can change this one and this one. Nothing but nothing but default you can change, start you can change, and step you can change. And but stop is mandatory and it works on stop -1. Whatever the value enter, it goes to -1. Guys, clear? Or you have any error? Guys, clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any confused? No, or you are confused?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. Yeah. Next, I'm moving with for with else. For with else. Yeah. What is the syntax for this? Okay. Wait 1 second. Okay, while I need to tell now. Yeah. What is the syntax of while loop?
So
This
while
while
operation, then we have execution code.
while is a keyword, okay, and we have like expression, and we have statements. Statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1 and statement 2. If the expression is true, it goes to infinity loop. That's all a while. You know about while. It works up to the condition false, up to the expression false. It is going to be work. Example.
Updating the value.
You have to do increment or decrement.
Yeah, okay. You are coming. Okay. At top, these are all optionals. Assignment. At top we have assignment, while, and inside we have modification. Set of statements. You can write n number of statements. Modification, you can say it is an increment or decrement you can do, or updation, anything, anyway is correct. And assignment and increment, decrement are optional, and remaining is mandatory. Assignment is optional based on some situations we are going to be right, and increment also based on some situations only we are going to be see. We'll see one example. X equals to 1 while x is less than 5, print x. What is the output here? Guys, what is the output?
So it's
One infinity.
It goes infinity because x is 1 only all times. Now I need to do increment. X equals to x plus 1. Now compile it. One, two, three, 4. It is less than. If you keep less than or equals to, what will happen here?
1 to 5.
Up to
5.
5. 1 to 5. If you are keeping less than, up to 4 only it will go. If you keep equals, up to 5. It goes up to 5. This is about our while loop, and while we does not have any range type. There is no range, just a simple we have only condition. Only we have condition. And increment you can change. There's no like that. write 2. 1, 3, 5, 7. All are odd numbers, you can see. If I starts with 2, you can see all even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Here, any doubt on while loop?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then coming to nested loop. Anyone, I have an idea on nested loop?
Loop inside a loop. It's not a loop.
Nested loop is nothing but a loop inside a loop. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Loop inside a loop is
Another
nothing
loop.
but a nested loop. Anyone know about syntax? For
Running range of
any loop you can take, but for is somewhat easy to understand. For
I
I can say first iterating variable or variable 1
Name
is nothing but variable 1
in sequence.
in sequence. And inside
Another loop.
here you can write some logic also. You can write any logic, any statements valid. You can write any statements. Again, you can write one more for
variable 2 in
Two.
sequence.
sequence
Statements.
statement 2. Yeah, and remember this we call as inner for loop and this we call as a outer for loop.
Outer for loop.
Whenever we are working with inner for loop, if inner for loop is stopped at error, sorry, nothing but false, inner for loop evaluated to false, the sequence is finished. After completion of inner for loop, again it goes to outer for loop. If the outer for loop only false, will come out from the loop. We'll show one small example. You can understand more easily on that. Okay. For I in range for better understanding, I'll use like a 3 plus 1 up to 3. For j in range 3 plus 1. Print again j. Print end. See here, whenever our Python interpreter has seen the statements I think this is an I. And the thing range is a 3. It is nothing but a 3. And j, our variable called j. J range is also 3. First to checking I in range, I starts with 0. 0, yes, I comes with 0, and j will starts with also 0 because 3 starts with 0, and it will print 0 and 0. After printing this statement, again it goes to inner for loop only. Now j value from 0 0, it will become 1. Again, I value is still 0 and it is 1. 0 and 1 will be printed. Again, it will go to increment of j. Now j will become as 2. Now j is assigned with 2. And next I comma j. I is still 0, comma j is 2. Again, it will goes to increment. Now it will become 3. 3. After becoming 3, j will be 3 and I is still now 0 only and j is 3 has been printed. Now next it is moves to 4. Now j is increment with 4 and the loop is false. Up to range is 3 only, but it is 4. Here the loop is false. After coming of this loop, again it goes to j. Again it goes to j. Now j is incremented from 1. Now j is 1. It is range in, yes, we have a range. And again I value starts from 0 only. It will repeat. It will repeat. Again output will be 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3. I will execute. Observe that. See, 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3. Third position, the j has been false. J become 4. It is false. Again I increment. I is 1. Again j starts with 0 1 2 3. Again j is here false. Again I starts with 2. Again it will be 0 1 2 and continue the same sequence. Clear, or you have any doubt? Clear, or you have any doubt? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Remember,
Clear, sir.
range. See, a equals to range of 4, I said. If I print a, what will the output here? Guys, what will the output here?
0 1 2 3. So
Starts with 0 comma 4 only now.
Yes, sir.
Internally, internal representation, it will be there like 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Internal representation will be there like this only. But I am doing range. In place of 3 plus 1, it will there 0 0 1 2 and 3. Here it will there 0 1 2 and 3. It will there 0 1 2 3 and 3. I is 0 first time. Yes, in 0 is there. Condition is true. I will become next to 2. 2 is there. I will become next to 3. 3 is there. If it is 4 is there, yes, in is used for the data is present or not, it will check. In operators, we are used in nothing but a sequence. Nothing but a sequence. Clear, or you have any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Okay. Now I want to print one pattern. Anyone known pattern? Pattern. Anyone? This is nothing but a pattern. I want to print this pattern. How? Anyone know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, if anyone do not know, see. First, make them into a rows and columns. Make like a table simply. Make them it as a simply like table. simply like a table. Yeah. And table we have like rows. Give some like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
2, 3.
3. Yeah. And these all are rows. These all are nothing but rows. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. And these all are columns. These all are columns. Now, how many rows we have?
3 rows.
How many columns we have?
3.
3. What data we need to print? Only star. Only star. Clear? Or any doubt? We have 3 rows, 3 columns, and we need to print only stars. To print this, see, row 1 is there. I need to print 3 stars. Row 2 is there. I need to print 3 stars. Row 3 is there. I need to print 3 stars based on columns. See. So I'm taking 2 for loop. But we know the what we need to print. We know we need to print only what? Star. We need to print only star. Okay. What is the range? Range also we know. What is range? Starts from 1 and it should go to 3 plus 1. This is a range. Same way, here also we know the range. And here write it as I, write it as J. Write it as J. See, when I is 1, J will execute so many times? 3 times. J is going to be executed 3 times. See the output here. See, I is 0. See how many times the inner J is executed. Nested loop inside J 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now also save. If it is 1, it executes 3 times. See the logic. I'll execute the program. See what is the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 stars printed now. Correct only.
No, sir.
Then what we need to do?
So we include a print statement after outer loop.
Yeah, println defaultly has /n. We need to go with end. Default. I will show one thing. One diagram I will show. Wait. Yeah, print is having like this. Syntax of print. See, we have comma separated values and we have separator. Separator is nothing but default is end with /n. /n means new line will come. We need to change this end. We need to change this end. End is a printing at last. So I'm changing the end. I'm changing the end. I'm changing the end with a space. Space is like delimiter. And run the example. They came in single line. See, line by line I need to divide now. What I need to change again?
After
inner
loop,
see, every row cancellation. Every row completed of printing every column. The new line should be started. Whenever you are going to increment I value, you should go to new value. See, come out from here. Outer inner for loop. I'm writing this as outer for loop. Same output. Output clear.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm ending with space. Space should not be go with slash n. Just I am remove that slash n. And after execution complete of J execution has been finished. When it is moving to I, we need to place one slash n. Already println and default works with slash n only inside. So simply I will place it to print. Automatically go with the slash n model. Clear, or you have any doubt? Guys, you have any doubt on from here? Up to here, clear? You have any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Nested looping concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only one. Last one. I want to print a pattern like I want to print this pattern. Yeah, what will be logic? Thinking anyone?
Sir, in the inner loop, we can provide the sequence like ABC.
What we need to write the logic for that? Where we need to end for and for I in range, what is there? 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4 minus 1 only. Nothing but if we are allowed to 3 only again. Next to for J in range. Three plus 1 is nothing but 4. It will inside, it will go with 4 minus 1 and it will bear with 3 only. What I need to write in print then? We need to concentrate only on print, remaining everything like before program only. What I need to write? What we are going to write here? What is here? If I write A, what will happen? If I write A, what will happen?
Say it's print A. All where.
See?
Print it. And
see, all are A only. What I need to get? Yeah. First line A, B, C, and D. How I need to get?
So we have to create one list.
One more list. Yeah. Perfect. 3 only I taken. Yeah. What I need to do? Guys, what I need to do to become B and C?
say using ASCII value we print.
Yeah. How? That only.
Sir, we use care function to get character from SQL and we put a 65 plus I.
Yeah. What we read first? CHR.
Yes, sir.
Then
65.
65. So first we'll see about 65 only. Then you will get an idea, I think. All A's only printed. Yeah. Char is a conversion typecasting function converting from integer to our character. Okay. But 65 stands for capital A. So it is printing all capital A. If I write,
So we can write plus B, 65 plus B.
If I write plus I, what is I? First of all, I is 1. 65 plus 1 is 66. All 3 times it is going to print BBB only. Whenever after cancellation of this inner for loop evaluated to false, again I is increment with 2. 2 means 65 plus 2, 67. 67 will have C. I will become 68. 68 we have D. You need to solve with your guess is correct. We need to start with 64. A, B, and C. All of you clear? You have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Or you can send in a chat box personally also. Yeah, guys, one thing. Yeah. Yeah, I want to take your attendance. Wait for 2 minutes. Up to here, today topics all understand or difficulty. Yeah.
Understand.
I think you are all are from freshers or you have any experience?
Fresh.